Well, it's day 6. This is the 6th day in a row that we've had thunderstorms here. And it's Monday, and they were calling for thunderstorms every day this week. I'm going insane, guys. And today, it feels different. We have some thunder, some lightning right now. Plus this fog that's just sitting over the valley right now, and you can see some lightning there. So there's a little bit of fog here. There's a lot of it over there. And it's not actually this bright, it's going on 9 o'clock at night. Apart from those crickets and some birds, it's so quiet out here. With the fog and the lightning, it's creepy. The fog is from all the rain evaporating today. I had another storm video of a weaker storm from earlier today, but I'm not going to upload it. Let's leave it right here. And look at that fog. You'll see how much creepier it actually is when I put the pictures on Google+. There's some lightning. Fog just feels out of place right now. I'm gonna bring this up the hill for a second, show you all the fog. Oops. So there it is on the hillside. It goes all the way over here and through the entire valley. So some of the lightning's coming from in there, and some of it's coming from that storm over there. It's just been raining very, very lightly, and I forgot my paper towels again. I keep telling myself to bring paper towels with me so I can wipe off my camcorder. Tripod too, so it doesn't rust. I'm so creeped out right now, guys. There's the base of the cloud in there. Getting a little too dark for my still camera. See if my phone can do any better. There's the anvil of this storm up there. Still spreading out in a tiny bit of mammatus. Slowly creeping towards the edge of that storm. Fog is drifting away a bit, but it looks like another one's coming through. And there's a new lightning bolt from that storm over there. I might make a second video filming over there. Yeah, I will soon. Almost got that lightning in the camera. Alright, let's finish up here. So most of the lightning's in there, and the fog is drifted off that way. Looks like a beginning of a shelf in there. Is that my phone? I wonder. Flash flood warning until midnight. Okay, I'm gonna finish up here and head up to watch that other storm.